Cohrs have done a terrific job.
No, Cohrs have done a terrible job.
Come on, we had super choppy markets. It was possible to issue bonds. The bonds that have come out all performed. They were all oversubscribed, some materially so. Why do you say they've done a terrific job?
Because after the first 2 months, the issuance volume has come significantly down in March.
But not because of covered bonds.
No, because of missing investor demand.
I don't think there was investor demand missing at all. Because if there's no supply, people cannot buy. That rhymes, actually. Coming back to my previous analogy with covered bonds are like pizza. They always work. It's basically, the taste is not always right, okay? But once it's on the table, people take it. i.e., investors buy covered bonds if you offer them and you don't grossly misprice them. I don't think we have seen mispriced bonds in the covered sector in the last 6 weeks, have we?
No, there were no mispriced bonds, but coming back to your pizza example, I would say in March we took all the cheese from the pizza and now we can add it again.
A very nice example. Actually, I think pizza always has the cheese. It may be the more sort of exotic ingredients like, I don't know, anchovies or pineapple or chicken that's missing, or maybe not missing, but it wasn't there. And so you could sell standard stuff, standard maturities as well, right? So, I mean, basically the middle of the curve, maybe a little bit shorter, that always works. And Cohrs are the perfect recipe for disaster situations. If we don't have a disaster right now in this war, I don't know what we have. And if people were enough sort of eager to issue, which they weren't, they could have done it. But nobody needs funds at the moment.
At least you are right. We had pizza all the time, but now we can add again artichokes and parmesan.
You know what? I get hungry. Let's go and have some pizza. Thank you.
Bye-bye.